Question number 2 says a pitcher claims he can throw a 0.159 kilogram baseball with as much momentum as a 2.1 foot 10 to the third meters per. What must speed the pitcher's claim is valid, and which has greater kinetic energy, the ball or the bullet? So this is a claim that the momentum ball, or we'll put the momentum of the bullet. And so, well, momentum is mass. Say the mass of the ball times the mass, the mass of the bullet times the velocity of the bullet. And it's kind of like M1 equals M2 V2. So we just have to solve. We're wanting to solve for velocity. If these two are equal, and we've given the mass, we've been given the velocity of the bullet, the mass of the bullet, and the mass of the ball, we need to know what the velocity would be. And so we just divide this over to this side. So velocity equals M1 V1 over it equals 0.0021. The grams of kilograms. 1 times 1.5 times 10 to the third meters per second. 0.159 kilograms for the weight of the base. And that equals, so the velocity of the 9.8 meters per second. Then it says which has greater ball or the bullet. And so all you have to do is KE equals 1/2 B squared, and you just plug in your values. So when you plug it all in, the velocity, let's do all times the mass. So 19 squared times the mass. The mass was 0.159. So divide that by 2. The kinetic energy is 31.167 joules. And so you plug in the same thing for your bullet. You 0.0021. 1.5 is 1.5 times 10, basically 1500 squared over 2, and this equals 60 joules. And so the bullet definitely has more kinetic.